go to the how to create the database with using the GUI. First I will show you the these are the system database I have explained you. Okay, and these are the four system database, and now we will go to the user defined database. So how you will create the user defined database, as like these are the user defined database. Okay, this is created by the user. So now we will create the new database. So how we will create, you have to just click on the right click on the database, and then you have to click on the new database. Once you will click on the new database, the new database window will open. Here you will see that the inside the journal page, jour general page, you have to select the database name. So you will give their database name SQL 2024. Then this is your database name, and you can give the owner also, but these activities done by the DBA. And coming to the data file, there are the two type of the files, means one is the raw file and another one is the data file, log file. Raw data means complete data, and log file is related the log information, it will be there. So these things is mostly required to the DBA. So if you see that the file group name and the initial file size, means once you will create the database, what will be the initial size of that, and what will be the auto growth and max size, what will be the max size, means it will be depend on the your hard disks. So there are the, and come to this is your file location where your database files will save. And and once you click on the OK button, then your database will be will create. So now your database has been created. Okay, and now if you want to delete this database, then what you will do? So you just have to right click, then you need to go to delete. So it will ask you to delete the database. Okay, so if you click here, then what it will do, it will delete the database. Okay, and now I will show you how to create the database using query. So what you have to do, you need to write the command create database, then database name SQL 2024. Then you have to select this command and you have to click on the execute button. So what will happen, the your database has been created SQL 2024, but we are not able to see the database where it is. So we will just refresh it, and then you will see that the SQL 2024 has been created. If now you can see that this SQL 24. Now if this video is help you, so please like, thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. We will meet you in next topic. Thank you guys, happy learning.